Today we are making a brownie. See, we have it here, so you might know. So, first we need a brownie mix and some melted butter, water, eggs, a whisk and a tray and a baker bowl. First you need an egg, then you have to crack it open. Then put it in here. After that you need to whisk it. Whisk the egg really fast. Make sure it doesn't go out. We add the water. Now you whisk it again. I knew the next thing. Next we have to add the melted butter. Make sure that doesn't not splash. Okay, and now you start mixing again. Next we have to add the brownie mix. Let's add it. In the brownie mix, I saw some chocolate. Let's have a taste. Let's try some of this one. It's like hot chocolate. We are going to mix. Yay! Mix, mix, mix. Oh, it's really chocolate. Can you see the chocolate? It looks very soggy and gooey. Look how hard I mix it. The batter is ready. Let's pour it into the tray. Ooh, this looks very chocolate. I'm going to lick it and try some. It's so good. I got one chocolate. Now we are going to pour the mix in the tray so that we can put it in the oven. We are going to bake it for 22 minutes. Ooh, I saw some chocolate. Now we are going to spread this mix. If you have decorations for the brownie, put it. We have these ones. We have a snowman and a tree and a reindeer and a Santa, and then they go again like that. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, like fun it is to in a window open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, like fun it is to in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is. For the decorations, you have to put it a bit far. And we are going to put it in the oven 22 minutes. Please need to wear your gloves if you're touching something hot like an oven. It goes in the oven. Be careful, it's hot. We shut the door. I put it for 22 minutes. Now it's ready. Let's get it out. Make sure a grown-up helps you because it's going to be very hot, not very hot. And then when it cools down, you can eat it. Bye. Really hot. Don't touch it. Only you're gonna touch it. When it's ready, then we can eat. And it be brown. Now it's cooled up. Let's see how it looks.